Have you ever seen a lightning bolt light up the sky during a thunderstorm? If so, you've witnessed an arc flash. As lightning moves closer, you get a better idea of its violence and destructive power. And if it gets too close, you might not survive it. While lightning occurs naturally, man-made arc flashes generally occur due to voltage spikes, touching an electrically charged surface, worn or loose connections in power cords, gaps in insulation in tools or equipment, improperly installed electrical parts, and dust buildup and corrosion on electrical equipment. So what exactly is an arc flash? An arc flash event is an electrical explosion that occurs when air becomes the conductor of electricity. This causes a heated wave of plasma that can measure up to 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The arc flash is the light and heat from the explosion, while the pressure wave that follows is called an arc blast, which can be powerful enough to throw you off your feet. The heat an arc flash gives off can be up to 3.5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, so an arc flash will instantly superheat the air and can vaporize nearby structures and equipment. During an arc flash event, the clothes of anyone in the area can be ignited and burn their skin. The light, heat, and pressure wave can also cause eye injuries and hearing loss. Arc flash events send several thousand workers to burn units every year. They cause traumatic injuries and they kill. So how does a man-made arc flash happen? Most of the time, energy moves safely through electrical systems, unless something occurs to divert the power. When diverted electricity jumps through the air from contact to contact, or from contact to ground, that's an arc flash. This can occur spontaneously when corrosion or conductive dust builds up in equipment. But most arc flashes result from mistakes that are made when someone is working on or near an electrical system. Touching a probe to the wrong circuit or dropping a metal tool into an electrical system, even digging into an underground cable, can all cause an arc flash. Like lightning, these types of arc flashes happen very, very fast, releasing huge amounts of light and heat energy.